In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a Shein account. This quick walkthrough will help you secure your profile and make sure you receive important notifications about orders, returns, and promotions without any hiccups. Start by opening the Shein app on your phone or head to the official Shein website in your browser. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to verify using your usual credentials. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. On the app, look for the Me section at the bottom of the screen. On the website, this is typically your account or profile area. Open that, then go into My Profile or Settings, depending on what you see. From there, find and select Manage My Account. This is where you control your contact details and verification status. Now choose whether you want to verify your email address or your phone number. Either option works. Pick the one you actively use and can access right now. After selecting your preferred method, tap or click Verify. This triggers Shein to send a verification message to that contact method. Next, check your inbox if you chose email or your SMS messages if you chose phone. The message usually arrives within a few seconds, but it can take a minute. If you don't see it right away, give it a little time and make sure your internet or mobile signal is stable. Also keep an eye on folders like junk or promotions in case the email was filtered there. Open the verification email or text message and look for either a direct verification link or a numeric code. If you received a link, simply tap or click it and it will confirm your account automatically. If you received a code, go back to the Shein app or website, enter the code exactly as shown, and submit. Codes are time sensitive, so use the most recent one you received and enter it promptly. If you copy and paste, double check that there are no extra spaces before or after the code. Once the link is opened or the code is accepted, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your account is verified. That's it. Your verification is complete. This helps keep your account more secure and ensures smooth communication about your shopping activity. If you plan to update your contact details later, you can return to Manage My Account and repeat the same verification steps for the new email or phone number. Thanks for following along and enjoy a more secure Shein experience.